Logo River, a graphics design company.
First, I open my Illustrator and open my drawing file. Drawing file link. Check the description box. Now, make a circle shape. Then it's copy. Okay. Now again, copy. It's some modified. Then I select and use a shape builder. Then it's remove. You can press Alt and delete. Now you use a line segment tool. Now it's copy. Then take a circle. Then it's copy. Then again, take a circle. It's some connection. Now it's copy. Okay. Then I use a pen tool. Now full select and use a shape builder tool. Oh, some mistake. Circle shape again. Copy. It's some twixt. And it's. Oh, now select and use shape builder tool for color selection. Be careful, it's. Now extra side remove. Wow, it's look beautiful. Now, make a rectangle shape. Now, color selection. I use an eyedropper tool and use a gradient color. It's look 3D. Wow. Okay, it's perfect. It's some twacked. Now text modified. Then text and logo. Select and convert small. Okay, today video is end, so please subscribe my channel. Bye.